Going to Ikea, woo! Babe. Hey, babe.
Hey, babe.
We're vlogging.
We're vlogging.
What are we doing today, babe?
I have two castings, auditions, whatever you want to call it, and then Ikea.
Ikea Adventures. Are you excited? Have we been to Ikea together? Because that's the ultimate like test to see if you're like able to get through life together, is going through Ikea together. I don't think we have.
We're engaged.
And it's too late now. But we're not actually gonna go through Ikea because, well, do you want to like go through the showroom part?
Yeah, time, yeah.
Oh, you like it?
I love Ikea.
I was just there like a few days ago with my mom when she was here, and I picked up a few things. Like there's a worldwide shortage of Louis frickin' food, so he has no food. Well, he has like a little bit of a bowl left. It's like a small bowl, and I'm pretty sure it'll last him like just today. And his food, I ordered it online on like Chewy or whatever that website is that like comes every month. I ordered it yesterday and it doesn't come until tomorrow, like probably afternoon. I don't know. I don't know what he's gonna eat tomorrow. My birthday's in like 10 days. It's my golden year. And that's what's up. This is what my stepsister sends me. Aww. I see Alex being cute, walking back from his casting. He is so hot. Look, there we go, there we go. Aw, yeah. He's so hot, what the heck? I'm so lucky.
Too hot.
You are so hot.
Huh?
You just took your shirt off and it was so hot. How'd it go?
Good. I got tea.
Oh, he's got tea. What's it about?
Lemon. We
made it to the Holy Land. Just kidding, it's kind of like the opposite.
Too.
We got a good spot.
It's my second time ever being here.
We never said why we're here.
We're getting 2 chairs for our table.
Yeah, just the head chairs. These are the chairs. We're getting 2 of them, but in white to go like right here on our table. And you guys, look at this chair. Like it's pretty cute. Like for Ikea, like this looks like some expensive stuff, and it's only $150. So like if you guys are looking for a cute like wicker chair that are really trendy right now, like definitely check that out. Also, I really love this sink. Hey babe, can you get me a drink from the fridge?
I got you. What would you like?
Water.
You didn't see me put the water in there.
Oh, thank you.
Got it.
But I wanted it in like a cup. These are kind of like the chairs we bought, but these are like midget chairs because Ikea is weird. Can you cook me some dinner?
Always. First, I'm gonna mash up some herbs.
That thing's actually really cute.
Can you hand me the chicken, babe? Come on.
Freezer? No, that's not defrosted. Oh, we didn't do groceries. No. We didn't do our groceries. Babe, we didn't pay the water bill either. Babe, did you pay the water bill? Like,
well, Louie wanted a tree house, so I got him the tree house thing. Water bill tree house.
Why is there people in our house? Who are these strangers in our house? I don't know.
You are so funny.
What?
You find like the smallest things that like you're like, why would you need this for? But you always like, I want it.
Because you know what I want it for?
Why?
I'll show you. You can buy one for $100 on this website that this actual one is from.
So you can buy one for $100.
This one is $100. But it looks pretty simple. My purse is falling.
Sierra, I just feel like dancing. So I told her, just dance then. Huh?
We now in the warehouse. Wait, that's the wrong aisle, babe. What do we got? We got the chairs and we got this basket thing. Now we're getting a mirror. Oh, we passed it. It's somewhere here. 25? Hovet. This is it. Hovet. Hove. I don't know. You're cute. Ooh. Bay's getting food. Oh, never mind. Have you guys ever tried their cinnamon buns? If so, are they good? Let me know. I feel like they don't compare to, they don't look quite as good as Cinnabon or whatever that mall place is. Got the ice cream. Now the fun part of loading it into the car.
All right. 2 castings, Ikea, and now PetSmart. We finally found Louie's food. Did you tell him?
I called, apparently it's in stock at this one. I called like 10 in total, so I'm shocked they have it. I will believe it when I see it. Should Louie be a bee? So we just got home and there was a bunch of boxes waiting.
Christmas is every day in this house.
Waiting at our front door because it's our chairs for our table. In the next vlog, I'm gonna show you guys like all of our new furniture and stuff that we got for our house. Also, our mirror is gone. That was there because that was my mom and stepdad's mirror, and we got a new one right there that we have to put up from West Elm, so it's kind of empty there right now. Open her up. Oh my god, it's double box. This is so annoying. Oh, I hate when they double box things.
What's that?
It's double box.
What the heck, man? We have really no room for freaking.
Why is it double box?
That's like the last thing we need is more boxes.
We got a top. Down, 7 to go. So it is a lot later and we set a lot of stuff up. I will show you guys in the next vlog, but we kind of failed hanging this mirror. So yeah, but I'm gonna end the vlog. Alex is upstairs vacuuming and we love you guys. We'll see you in our next vlog.